Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Trishna and I am here to give you an in-depth look at the Masters of Finance program at the prestigious MIT Sloan School of Management. If you're considering a career in finance, you probably already know that MIT Sloan is a leader in the field. Ranked 4th globally in the QS Business Masters Ranking 2024 for finance, MIT Sloan offers a cutting-edge education that combines rigorous academic training and hands-on experience. So let's dive into what exactly makes this program stand out. One of the key aspects that sets MIT Sloan apart is its strong emphasis on financial research. The school is home to several research centers, including the Center for Finance, the Laboratory for Financial Engineering, and the Sloan Finance Initiative. These centers not only conduct groundbreaking research but also provide students with opportunities to participate in projects that push the boundaries of finance. If you're passionate about being at the forefront of financial innovation, MIT Sloan is the place to be. The MIF program at MIT Sloan is designed to equip you with both a deep understanding of finance and the practical skills to apply that knowledge. The curriculum includes core courses, restricted electives, and an action learning course. The action learning is a hallmark of the MIT Sloan experience, where students work in small teams to tackle real-world business challenges under the guidance of a faculty member. Whether you are interested in financial engineering, capital markets, corporate finance, or impact finance, the program offers optional concentrations that allow you to tailor your degree to your career goals. MIT Sloan's MIF program is STEM designated, which is a significant benefit for all international students. This designation means that the curriculum is focused on the application of mathematics and statistics to finance, and it also allows international graduates on F1 visa to extend their stay in the US for an additional 24 months through the Optical Practical Training STEM extension. In total, you could have up to 36 months to gain work experience in the US, giving you a competitive edge in the global market. For international students, understanding the visa process is crucial. To study in US, you will need to obtain either an F1 student visa or a J1 exchange visitor visa, depending on the form you present. If you are applying for a J1 visa, be aware of the 2-year home residency requirement, which might apply depending on your funding and country of origin. Remember, it's essential to maintain your legal status throughout your stay, so keep track of important dates like the expiration of your I-20 or DS 2019 forms. MIT Sloan is looking for smart, motivated individuals who are passionate about finance. While the program doesn't require work experience, having some professional experience through internships or jobs can strengthen your application. You should aim to showcase your leadership, problem-solving abilities, and the critical thinking skills. Real accomplishments in your CV, strong recommenders, and well-crafted essays will make a significant impact. Although submitting a GMAT or GRE score is optional, if you have a strong score, it could add value to your application. Remember, MIT Sloan looks at your application holistically, so don't be discouraged if your test scores aren't perfect. The cost of tuition for the MIF program at MIT Sloan is $91,250 for the 12-month program and $1,24,875 for the 18-month program. While this is a significant investment, there are various financial aid options available, including loans, fellowships, and scholarships. MIT Sloan offers teaching and research assistantships, which not only help cover your expenses but also provide valuable exposure to the school's educational and research programs. Additionally, there are also several fellowships awarded based on academic excellence, personal achievements, and professional promise. Some fellowships also consider geographic diversity, so international students should definitely explore these opportunities. When it comes to career outcomes, MIT Sloan's MIF program boasts impressive statistics. For the class of 2023, the average salary was around $1,25,000, with 100% of graduates seeking employment receiving job offers within just 6 months of graduation. The top finance functions of graduates included quantitative research, investment banking, and corporate finance. MIT Sloan's strong network and career services play a significant role in these outcomes. The school has partnerships with leading global companies like Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and Bain & Company, to name a few. With such a solid support system, you will be well prepared to embark on a successful career in finance. So to sum it all up, the MIT Sloan's MIF program offers a comprehensive education that combines cutting-edge research, practical experience, and strong focus on career outcomes. If you're passionate about finance and looking for a program that will challenge you academically while providing a real-world experience, MIT Sloan should be at the top of your list. With its STEM designation, strong career support, and global reputation, it's an investment that can pay off significantly in the long run. Well, that wraps up today's video. I hope you found it insightful and packed with useful information. We have just gone through an overview of the MSc Finance program at MIT Sloan School of Management. If you are looking to dive deeper into the admission process, need help with your application essays, or want to nail that interview, click the website link in the description for personalized one-on-one consultations. You can also reach out to us directly via WhatsApp using the contact number provided in the description. For those of you seeking support with profile evaluation and school selection, don't miss out on our weekly live evaluation workshop hosted by Amir. The link to join is also provided in the description. Thanks for watching and keep an eye out for more insights on top MIF programs from around the world.